Kung meron kayong waffle maker at home, try this recipe of the Brazilian cheese bread or yung tinatawag na pão de queijo. In a blender or food processor, combine 1½ cup of tapioca starch, ½ cup of milk, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 egg, pinch of salt, about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and about a cup of whatever cheese you like to use such as mozzarella, cheddar, or Gouda. And since may leftover cream cheese ako, nag-add na rin ako. And blend lang natin until maging smooth. Now kung wala namang blender or food processor, pwede naman siya sa saucepan lang. I-heat nyo lang yung milk and oil, then add the cheese until maging melted. Turn off the heat, then add the egg, mix, and lastly add tapioca starch and salt. Now lightly oil your waffle maker, then pour in about ½ cup of your mixture. Then pwede kang mag-add for flavors ng ibang ingredients like spring onions and jalapeno peppers. Now cook your waffle for 10 to 12 minutes. And continue cooking hanggang maubos yung mixture. And for other flavor ideas, pwede kayo mag-add ng pimiento, ham and pineapple, bacon, pepperoni, tuna, corned beef, at marami pang iba. And for the last flavor, nag-add lang ako ng garlic powder. I super love this bread because of its texture. Makunat siya na parang mochi. Crunchy outside, soft, chewy, cheesy inside. And guys, I hope you tried this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.